Hello friend, welcome back to my videos about the watches. On the right is the watch which I'm currently wearing, and on the left is the new watch for me which just arrived. And what is it? It's a Orient Mako in blue. I have purchased this one slightly used, and I'm inviting you today to come with me and open the box. Here you can see how it's packed. These are some numbers. It's Orient Man's CEM 65002D Blue Mako Automatic Dive Watch. And let's take it apart. Okay, it's pretty tight, nice. And here comes the moment of the truth. Boom! Oh, so the box opens on two sides. This is instruction manual, Orient Watch CO, Tokyo, Japan. And here is the watch. This is amazing. This is fantastic. So this is how it's packed. Oh, that's beautiful, nice and solid. This is the tag. And this is absolutely stunning. I'm very positively surprised with this. Absolutely gorgeous blue color. Absolutely beautiful. I really like it. And let's turn it around. This is the clasp. Nice Orient logo. It's beautiful. Okay, let's take it off in the next step. That is beautiful. So here we go once again. It's a really beautiful watch. I can see already the difference between the Seiko and the Orient. That Orient is of course bigger and way more heavier. It's completely different feeling. This beautiful bracelet, stainless steel. And this is that safety mechanism on that nice Orient detail. All beautiful, pretty stable. Here is the back of the watch. There is still a remaining of that sticker. And a nice engraving. It feels really good. Though my first impression is fantastic. I think that will be absolutely great replacement of my Seiko 5. So please give me like a week. I will get familiar with all the features of the Orient, and after approximately 1 week of wearing it, I will be able to share my impression. Also, I will make sure I will measure how precise it is. So please stay tuned, because the in-detail review is coming very soon. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.